Good morning, it's Sunday, and we're baking something textured, aromatic, and quietly rich. It has fruit, it has honey, and a bit of grain for edge. It's simple, but every detail matters here. It's the kind of bake that's effortless because it is, but I'll be perfectly honest. This is far from a picture-perfect bake, but that doesn't matter. It tastes amazing, and not every bake is picture-perfect anyways. So let's do this. Golden honey, ripe figs, a soft plush crumb, and just enough citrus-infused olive oil to make you feel like you're somewhere in the Mediterranean, instead of standing in your kitchen wearing mismatched pajamas. Sweet, salty, fragrant, and honestly, way too easy to eat half the pan. This is fig and honey cornmeal cake with mascarpone cream. First, we're gonna prep our figs, so that way we make sure they have plenty of time to cool before we add them to our batter. Grab your fresh figs, add a drizzle of honey, a bit of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Toss it all together and let them get cozy. Then spread them out and roast until you get the kind of fruit that looks like it's been kissed by sunshine. Now, let's infuse the oil with citrus and vanilla. This is one of my favorite parts. Warm the olive oil, a hint of orange zest, and a little vanilla. Just a few minutes on the heat, then off it goes to rest and get even more fragrant. It's cake batter time. Let's put all these delicious flavors into one. Prep your cornmeal by adding milk to Hydrate. Let it soften while we pull the rest together. Flour, almond flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and a pinch of coriander get mixed together. Whisk the eggs and then add the infused olive oil with honey and mix again. Add the sour cream and give it a quick mix. Add the cornmeal and combine until everything is smooth. Fold in the dry mix until incorporated and pour it into your prepared pan. Give it a quick level and top with the roasted figs. Off to bake until golden and fragrant. While our cake is baking, let's mix the honey soak that will brush on top when it's done. A quick mix of honey, water, lemon juice, and a little salt. Simple, but it brings everything to life. When the cake comes out of the oven, it's ready for its first brush of that syrupy soak. Out of the pan, it gets one more light coat. And now the final step of our simple masterpiece, the mascarpone cream. In a chilled bowl, mascarpone gets an initial whip. Add a touch of milk powder for that perfect velvety structure. A splash of cream to loosen the mixture, then add the rest in with honey, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. It whips up soft and billowy, the kind of frosting that never tries too hard. Spread it over the cooled cake, slice through that golden crumb, and honestly, it's as dreamy as it looks. That's it, a simple bake with texture, depth, and balance. Nothing extra, just what it needs to be. If you liked this, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell so you never miss a Sunday bake, and leave a comment if you decide to make this for yourself. I'll see you next Sunday.